This song's called The Cattle Drover. On a cattle drive. Well, sometimes when it's late at night and the stars are shining just so damn bright, girl, I start to think of your face as them bulls are belling, and I'm 1,000 miles away from everything I wanted to be today. So I'm right here alone. I'm just that drover on a cattle drive. And I just can't think about her, 'cause the last girl that I seen, well, she wasn't comparable to hell. Well, her eyes, they were too green, and I just started thinking about the way that you looked in the morning after we loved all night long. Kristen, I keep thinking about you as I ride it off, and nobody cares at all. Well, it's funny how we try to put these emotions out. I write up on an old song. Girl, I'm trying to sing it all alone. But maybe I'm the only one around. Maybe kinda like that one-of-a-kind clown. Take me high, baby, take me low every time. But baby, don't you know that I'm a fighter's heart? I'm wrapped up in a lover story. Got a fuel for this fire, girl. I'm just ready to burn in hell. Cupid's out, but well, I'm all messed up and drunk too fast, never on time. Letting you run that red light one more time, girl, I'm never coming back. Believe me, baby, because I'm falling off track. And sometimes I drink way too